Okay, go find your basket that the Easter Bunny brought you. Go on. Go.
Yeah.
No, he's not at the door. He already brought it. Go look. Go look. Is it under the table? Under the table there? Look under there. Look.
No.
Come look in here. Come look in here.
Oh.
You found it?
Did you find it?
find it?
I
Oh, boy.
Look.
Yay!
You're
You
lucky.
found it. Look what you got.
You're lucky. Oh, boy.
Oh, it is.
Eggs in a present.
I in the present.
Eggs in a present. You
Open
gonna
it.
open that present? Was that big?
Tell me.
Okay. Oh, oh,
Open that present.
come on, let's bring it over here and open it up.
I'm gonna put this over.
Okay, look
Oh,
what the Easter
boy.
Bunny brought you.
Oh.
What's in there?
Lemon.
Num-nums?